Welcome back to my channel, Delightful_Dawn, and I hope that you're having a blessed day, a blessed evening, a blessed morning, or whatever time that you may be watching this video. Today I'm going to do what is that called? Not copycat. Dang. Trying to recreate a look of a YouTuber that I just recently started following. I want to be able to see if I can actually follow her routine to get the look, and that is Miss Maya Galore. She's this fabulous young lady that, from what I know, she's from St. Louis, so she lives in St. Louis, and so that's what pretty much made me want to actually follow this video. I already did my eyebrows off camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and if this is something you're interested in watching, go ahead and continue. So I have her video up to the side, to the left of me, might be the right of you, and I'm going to screen record everything. We're gonna start off and let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
What up? And this video is the simple everyday makeup drugstore and selfie approved by Maya Galore.
Very simple.
You already seen this video, I believe, once. So let me get to this part. Yeah, I'm trying to get to the part where I know
Everything in your face. So for foundation today, I want it to be slightly light. By light, I don't mean like light bright. I mean like lightweight. So I am going to mix my Nabla foundation as well as my BB cream from Maybelline. I feel like these two would be a nice combination. So the Nabla one, I'm only going to take a real small amount of it, and I'm going to mix it with this BB cream just because I want this to be a little more lighter and airier of a look today. But since this is more of a simple makeup look, I am not going to...
I don't have it. Which I already kind of knew. I already moisturized. I think that if we're doing like an everyday, smegular, lightweight type of look, the foundation that I personally like to wear for me has been Morphe, because to me I like matte, and matte to me doesn't really transfer that much. Not matte. Morphe doesn't really transfer that much for me. I think that's what I'm gonna use. Either that, or I can use I recently got Maybelline. But this is dark, and she said go light. This Maybelline, I have the 370, I got it darker, and then I normally put on the concealer to make it lighter. So I think what we're going to do is I am going to go with the Morphe. I feel like I like Morphe. Morphe, to me, is like, that's my judge. She dabs it like all over her face. I don't really do that. That is news to me. I wonder why like people do dab it everywhere. She does like literally everywhere. Boop, 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 and she's mixing it. I don't really know what can really mix with Morphe. I'm putting like a little bit on everywhere because I don't want it to be That's cool to me. If I look mismatch, it's because I am. What I have on doesn't match. It is what it is, okay? Don't be mad. Let's see how she's gonna put this up.
On the foundation, this is actually not a lot. This was like, well, I can't really say drops, but it wasn't a lot. I definitely didn't want to go in too much with the product because we are doing simple and more, not really no makeup, but we just don't want it to be too much. Okay, yeah. I feel like, I don't know if you guys remember last time I used the Nabla foundation. It is super like full coverage. This BB cream definitely thinned it out a little bit, and I'm loving that. The brush I'm using is the blending brush. That's not the name of it. I'll find the name of it and let you guys know in the description box, but it's an e.l.f. brush. But yeah, to thin it out and make it less coverage, to me this worked out really well. So you don't necessarily have to use, like Nabla or something that's the one thing I would say I hate about this concealer is how small the applicator is. It's similar to like the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I like a nice bigger applicator, but for ladies who don't like...
I gotta find my concealer. People are like, so you didn't know you were doing this. I'm like, oh.
This is actually perfect for you because it doesn't pile it on like some of the bigger doe foot applicators. But we are going simple today, so y'all know I'm gonna go in my normal areas, but not...
Okay, hold on. Look here, Maya, you're going too fast. Too fast for my simple brain. All up here. Here. Oh, I don't have enough concealer on her. I might not have a hole enough. She put it in the lip area. And I see her going down to the chin. Ooh, she's trying to get BB. I don't do the forehead, so if that happens.
All it on. And I wanted to choose a concealer that's slightly lighter because since we're going simple today, I didn't want to pile on. You know how sometimes I do two concealers, one that's like my regular concealer shade and another one that is like lighter.
I'll do that sometimes.
I want to do that today. I want to pick one that's a little in between those shades. Just so that we don't have to go in so much with everything. Pretty much all we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start to blend this out with my sponge.
Look, Lord Jesus, y'all, I am not getting...
Ofra. So this is already not doing so bad. It's really easy to blend out. We're not doing the utmost today. We're just doing a little bit, little something, just to bring in the highlights of the face. And we're actually not going to contour today. We're just going to bronze. I've been getting questions from you guys about the difference between a bronzer and contouring, especially since they go in the same area. So I do have a video coming out.
I need to watch that.
The differences. It's not clean yet, but you know, it's more concentrated. You know, whereas this one is more fluffy. And so I can place it and it doesn't look as, you know, like I was real precise of where I put it. And it kills me that this does not have a mirror. And I'm here for it. That is the new thing on my channel. Till I get tired of it and start doing something else. Or forget. At the beginning of the year, I told you guys I was going to start doing like my contour first before I went into like a highlighter concealer. Yeah, that was the only video that I did that on. I forgot. I just forgot. So I would do is take a concealer that's closer to my skin complexion. So I'm going to use my regular concealer from L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal Infallible in Honey 415. And just do a little bit more reinforcement on the eyes, which I was going to do anyway, since I am going to go in with some mattes. And blend it out because we did have a little bit of creasing. LA Girl Born exclusive palette, and I'm going to go into a couple matte shades in here. I think I'm gonna go into Individuality and then Friendly in the crease area. Two colors is all we're doing today. With a flat brush for the eyes, and this is the ColourPop E4 brush. I'm gonna dip into Individuality, and this is another palette with no mirror, so Maya, what you gonna do, sis? I have this other ColourPop palette right here, so I'm gonna use this mirror. Let me get a little closer, y'all, so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put this shade right here on the lid.
That's
so I'm
pretty.
pressing it and kind of sweeping it as well. It is not as light as I wanted it to be, so I'm mixing it a little bit with Humble, which was a lighter shade, and kind of diffusing it onto the lid. I'm gonna do the same for the other side, and I have already started to crease, especially when you're going matte.
I ain't about to look for that color. I feel like I have something like that, but I already have the Patrick Star one size, and I'm going to use Books on my eye because it's right in front of me, and why would I waste time trying to look for something that looks like that when I really can't really tell how that color looks on her eye. I don't know what color that is, like a peachy type color. I don't have it. I don't think I have. I may have it, but I'm not looking for it. We're gonna press play.
And make sure you don't have any creases because they will show. I feel like I didn't set the ones over here good enough, but
girl, what's that? Okay, while I'm sitting here and I'm blending what we just put on, I'm gonna tell you why I like Maya. Why I think that she's like a really cool YouTuber. She is really chill, a lot of personality, and lately, you know, Jackie. I'm not gonna try to compare her to Jackie, but I used to watch Jackie a lot. And when Jackie kind of not fell off, but like she didn't make videos as much before, I think that's where I'm like, okay, I had a void where getting one video a month wasn't enough for me. She giving us 2 videos a week. You a trooper, girl. I can barely do one a week, let alone one a month. But I'm still gonna follow this and see how this goes. I need to find an orange shade, because I feel like it's only right to find an orange shade that is similar to what she is showing us here, because we're following what she has. We just are. Is that orange or is this yellow?
I might be seeing that video coming as well. Okay, Okay, so next we're going to take just a normal blending brush and we're going to dip into the other color, which is Friendly, here down here at the bottom. And we're placing it on the edge and then just dusting it out and blending it out. So we placed it and now we're blending. We're also making sure to blend it into where the other matte shade is. And for my ladies with hooded eyes, always make sure you're looking down into a mirror, sis. Because if y'all hear all that creaking, that's my chair. It's very
looking down.
I need another one. With hooded eyes, like I said, just look down into a mirror so that you can really see where your lid is and just make it easier for yourself or where to place. Was the LA Girl Volumatic Full-On Volumizing Mascara. And I'm going to go ahead and pop on my lashes. Now I'm going to...
Hold up. Okay, girl. Girl, you're going too fast for me. I don't want to see how people go under the eye. Like, that right there is, like, freaking me out this whole time. Do I, like, hold the mirror under? Like, what's the best? Tell me, Maya. Girl, how do you get under the eye? I was still trying to catch up because I'm behind. Ew, this makes my lashes look. Ew. Let me try to put on my lashes. Put on my lashes. Second video starting now.
I want to use white. Or melanated ladies, please don't use white. But this one is like a nude, and I'm going to go ahead and put this into the waterline. And then I'll add a little bit of mascara on the bottom.
Why I can't do this? Because I have so much trouble trying to put anything under my waterline that I have tried to stay away from that as much as possible. So we're going to watch this and see if we're going to do it. We're not going to do it, but if we were.
Like I said, this could have been a way simpler if you just didn't do a eyeshadow look. It just did concealer and set the eye. Very, very easy. Kind of give you the same type of feel, but I just wanted to add some dimension into my crease and get a lighter shade on the eyelid. All right, and we're good. Are we looking nice and natural and everyday-ish, you know? To me, it is low-key like no makeup because we're not really sculpted. We're not like super-duper light under the eyes. It's just very natural and pretty. I will go into blush, but y'all know I'm not a blush chick, and I used blush on my last video, so it ain't happening today.
I like blush.
I'm sorry if that's what you came here for. If you
don't like blush,
you would not have come here for that. I feel like I want to use my Maybelline highlighter, Master Chrome,
just because
is super bomb and super like, yes. Especially since I'm taking pictures today. But I do have this new palette from Ofra, and I did just get a code with Ofra's, and they have been dropping some bangers lately. Not sponsored, but I have been loving the things that they've been dropping. Let me go make sure my code is right, because I've been telling you guys my Color Rain code wrong, and one of my girls definitely reached out to me on Instagram. Ro, I see you, girl, and she was like, girl, yo, code is not working. So it is actually Maya Galore, not just Galore. I have fixed it in the description box as well. So if you've been trying to use this, sis, that ain't it. But my Ofra code is Galore. And that is off the... And it looks like kind of the same thing from the last video with like a brush highlighter situation. Ooh.
That's pretty.
Yes,
Pinky.
She's too light. Okay, wipe it off. Well, I have to wipe it all the way off because it's light. So we can just add a hint on both sides, and that's it. Okay, that's enough of that. That almost went down, yo. But yeah, back to the highlighter. Let's just go ahead and try this highlighter out because apparently Maya's very excited about it, and we have a mirror. Thank the Lord. Whew. Icy, and I love it. Jeez. Now the only reason I was saying maybe I should go into my Maybelline is because I like a more gold highlight for my everyday highlight, and this one is more of a pinker tint highlighter. I did want to try this, and I did, so we're gonna put it away. It's still super bomb. I just, you know, for my everyday, I like my gold. So Maybelline Master Chrome. It is. And she doesn't have a mirror, so I'm gonna open back with the Ofra, but I'm using Maybelline. See, nothing does it like, y'all see the difference between the starkness of this one? First of all, they're both stark, but the color, as far as that one being gold and this one being more of a pinkish tone, which I'm gonna rub off a little bit. But there's just something about gold tone highlighters on melanin skin.
You ain't lying, girl. You ain't lying.
I love it. And I am highlighting under my brow.
Hey everybody, the video I have completely lost, so to me, but yeah, I think so far I did a good job in following Miss Maya Galore's video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and follow me on all social media platforms. That is life_Dawn, as well as Miss Maya Galore. And to let me know if there's anything else or anybody else's video that you think that I should follow. So yeah, have a blessed one. Smooches.